In this enlightening video, we delve deep into the world of the accountancy profession, shedding light on the 30 most common unethical practices that plague this industry. Join us as we expose the dark underbelly of the financial world and reveal the deceptive tactics employed by some accountants. From falsifying financial statements to engaging in tax evasion schemes, we leave no stone unturned in our quest to unravel the unethical practices that tarnish the reputation of the accountancy profession. By highlighting these unethical behaviors, our aim is to raise awareness and promote accountability within the industry. Through comprehensive research and expert analysis, we present a comprehensive list of the most prevalent unethical practices that accountants may encounter or even be tempted to partake in. By bringing these issues to the forefront, we aim to empower both aspiring and seasoned professionals to make ethical decisions and maintain the integrity of the profession. Join us as we expose the alarming practices, such as conflicts of interest, fee splitting, and misleading advertising, which undermine the trust and credibility that both businesses and the general public place in accountants. We believe that by shining a light on these practices, we can collectively work towards a more transparent and ethical future for the accountancy profession. Don't miss the opportunity to gain insights into the unethical practices that may go unnoticed in the accountancy world. This eye-opening video series is a must-watch for accountancy students, practicing professionals, and anyone interested in understanding the dark side of the financial landscape. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content that uncovers hidden truths and promotes ethical practices in various industries. Together, let's work towards building a more transparent and trustworthy business environment. Shining a light on unethical practices, 30 common unethical practices in the accountancy profession. Are you aware of the unethical practices that can occur in the accountancy profession? Today, we are shining a light on 30 of the most common unethical practices that can compromise the integrity of the financial industry. 1. Falsifying financial statements to misrepresent a company's financial health. 2. Colluding with clients to manipulate financial data for personal gain. 3. Creating ghost employees to embezzle funds from a company. 4. Providing misleading advice to clients to maximize personal profits. 5. Ignoring conflicts of interest and making biased decisions. 6. Engaging in insider trading by using privileged information. 7. Breaching confidentiality by sharing client information without consent. 8. Overcharging clients and inflating billable hours. 9. Failing to disclose errors or omissions in financial reports. 10. Accepting bribes or kickbacks from clients or vendors. 11. Engaging in tax evasion or promoting tax avoidance schemes. 12. Misrepresenting qualifications or credentials to gain clients' trust. 13. Participating in fraudulent activities such as identity theft or money laundering. 14. Providing false audit opinions to cover up financial irregularities. 15. Concealing information that can negatively impact stakeholders. 16. Retaliating against whistleblowers who report unethical behavior. 17. Misusing funds or assets entrusted to the accountant's care. 18. Providing inaccurate forecasts or projections to manipulate stock prices. 19. Overstating or understating inventory levels to distort financial ratios. 20. Neglecting to follow accounting standards and guidelines. 21. Preparing misleading financial disclosures to mislead investors. 22. Sharing confidential information with unauthorized individuals. 23. Accepting gifts or incentives that can influence professional judgment. 24. Failing to maintain independence from clients, compromising objectivity. 25. Misclassifying expenses to increase tax deductions or reduce liabilities. 26. Creating fake transactions or manipulating sales figures. 27. Overlooking or ignoring irregularities discovered during internal audits. 28. Disclosing sensitive information without obtaining proper consent. 29. Misreporting or failing to disclose related party transactions. 30. Engaging in unethical behavior to attain personal career advancement. Thank you for watching this video on the 30 most common unethical practices in the accountancy profession. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.